In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get monetized on YouTube. So if you log into the Creator Studio, click on Channel, and then click on Status and Features, it'll bring you to this page. And we have a tab here which basically has monetization. And if you just click on Learn More, it shows you the criteria for being eligible for monetization. So number one is follow all the YouTube partner program policies, so adhering to YouTube terms and conditions, live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, also have more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, have more than 1,000 subscribers, and have a AdSense account linked to your YouTube account. So if you follow all of these criteria, you'll be eligible to apply for monetization on your channel. Please subscribe and help me on my journey to getting monetized, and I'll see you in the next one.